Okay, now here's the ear liner we're gonna put in this side, okay? These ear liners are from Research, and they have this bottom on here. This is more of just a commercial ear liner. There's no inner ear detail. One way that you can do this is when you peel your cartilage off, you got this ear turned inside out, you could just chop all this off right here. Chop that off, and then your ear skin will just lay in here, but then you don't have really any finished ear. That's fine for commercial. If you want to make it a little more fancier and get that inner ear detail like he's got on here, you just simply cut that off. Cut that part off. When he gets this installed, this is going to, of course, go through like this, and this cartilage is going to stick out the end like that. So he'll have inner ear detail at the end of his liner. Some ear liners have the inner ear detail already in them, just like that. We're just making it happen this way by cutting that off and putting our own cartilage in there. The only thing you need to do on this tie is rough this up. Okay. This is so smooth, we want that glue to stick to it. A stout rougher works really good. Just rough that up real quick. You can use this on the inside part. And we're gonna glue it in. This is just gonna give glue something to grab onto, just like we roughed it form and whatnot. That's probably good. You can use, they make different ear adhesives, ear epoxies. They're two parts. A lot of them, they kick pretty fast. You gotta work pretty quick.
Okay.
Hide paste works just fine if you got a good hide paste. This is that Pro 555. We get it at Sherwin-Williams. This works fine. You have to make sure your ear liner fits. If it's too tight, doesn't matter what adhesive you use, it's going to drum. This gives you a longer working time. And this glue is water soluble. It'll clean to this water then, of course. That's what they shoot you at. There's a lot easier with glue on it, though.
Yep, something to make it slip.
Just keep working her down. Okay. You got that, looks like. Now it's just a matter of lining everything up. That edge right there. That needs to be right here. Yep. Because these hairs need to go just right over that opening.
Okay.
Yeah. So now it's just a matter of making sure all the edges are all the way out. You've got it all the way up to the tip, everything, and everything's nice and tight. Like I said, you got a long
Lots of time.
Yeah, this glue you do. Seems like it's sticking pretty good. Fitting right.
Seems like it.
Okay. not a lot of babysitting to do with it once everything is in there. The only thing I will do is I'll take a little saran wrap and I'll stuff it down in here.
Into the canal.
That'll help expand that skin down in there to that liner.
Okay. So that,
Let me look at it. Yeah. I don't know if you can see inside of there. We just turned that commercial ear liner into a more detailed ear liner. Yeah. Looks pretty good. Okay. Just take a little of this. And then just take a little tool or whatever. Kind of just pack it in there. And then we'll put our earbuds on.